The longing for nature is a profound emotion, reflecting people's closeness to and yearning for the natural world. The longing for nature is like a deep yearning for lush greenery, a desire to stroll through forests, meadows, and gardens, and to feel the vitality and the harmony of the natural world. Also, the yearning for nature is a strong attraction to majestic mountains and rivers, a longing to climb peaks, traverse canyons, and explore the unknown wonders of the natural world. The longing for nature is akin to an enchantment with the vast ocean, a yearning to bathe in the sea breeze, listen to the sound of the waves, and immerse oneself in the tranquility of the ocean. The longing for nature is an eager anticipation of sunrise and sunset, a yearning to witness the magnificent spectacle of the sun rising and setting with one's own eyes. The longing for nature is akin to an affection for the stars in the night sky, a desire to escape the light pollution of cities, gaze upon the stars, and experience the mysterious beauty of the cosmos. The longing for nature is a universal emotion that inspires people to establish a closer connection with the natural world.